Mama wakwaba aha GCN page so meeting ede adwoa searching ene ni dey dikan ya wode ehwe me a mesro na wa subscribe to my channel. We are now don sa emi abe on so we a notification ene sa ne news ede betu me a wo benye biati anase wo benye bi ahwe ewo GCN page ha. Felix Apia ono ena oye program a watu ne den political zone ewo Facebook. Okasa de ma NPP amayoku no na Felix ena okase ena ochese Sammy Gyamfi a oye NDC for omo communication director anase officer nano akoyi neka a chese wode na akogina court etwesi kama ni se wontua na ena Felix echese Sammy Gyamfi ena owura napo former education minister asisi oye energy minister one Sammy Gyamfi omo asemi ya abi Felix echese mana NPP pani bia nkopachew mana NPP pani bia nkokase o omo enjai na ye politics asem anase mana Sammy Gyamfi enfechi nkopachew no mu enjano omo mana embrani nindi because Sammy Gyamfi ni se bi omuade wa atoto nani awe na ode NPP fo mpanifo enim etwitwifem enti Felix echese Sammy Gyamfi ebe pacho kra asem mema no mu NGM na asem no emu enchiremoni Sammy Gyamfi a oye communication officer de ma NDC amayoko yenye nim se Sammy de nano ye din yie papa ewo politics na Sammy Gyamfi kwotena radio so na wakasa na NPP free abehso mu busen ebi mo echese nsema Sammy Gyamfi eken na eye propaganda nsem okay na sabianya sesem bi ani entronkwa na otwa ewo radio na TV so etu futu de egu Ghana foani na ode na afoforo no akodu eye owura Matthew Opoku Prempe a oye former education minister asisi emprempren oye energy minister na asemi na se Sammy Gyamfi echese yebeka ya Kumase enipa bonifu bi kidnap Canadian bogus emba miensa ye nka se bogus mpo omo ye Canada fo abrofo omo ba Ghana ha no a enipa bonifu bi kidnap omo na asem no ebeto odwa omo ye ho kobra na de ade na asem no etutwae na se Sammy Gyamfi akopeja aba a wo kire se sa Canada fo mo fra miensa na nipa bonifu bi kidnap omo no eye owura napo former education minister ne boy oni ne ye adwuma anase ni nipa oni ne ye adwuma onim kidnapping no hu bi neno na owura napo echese Sammy Gyamfi sada wote ya de politics na wo se nipa din da bi ugumeni masinti aseme de menti ase o ma so pa o de court na chese court nso asom amo echese ombedi aseme no neno na Felix Apia echese empempi no obi di nsemhu no mo de kokota no mo aka munjai politics nti afidi nya politics nti Sammy Gyamfi na sem no omo beso ma di ni yie pa ne nti nsem a Felix Apia ede etudwa
from wedi oh prove it, take us to court if you say this take a monchi any and share asiakwa esibetua 500 million and a 500,000 meboa that's 5 billion oh one do benya a 5 billion they say so and meboa. Yes, say, Mama mi read Accra, Akumbe Amenfi ne medasi. I say, the High Court Accra, General Jurisdiction 12, presided over by Justice Charles Gyamfi. Hey, on one in the papa, I had the son, Gyamfi Dankwa. Hey, Gyamfi Dankwa, that is Samuel Kodi judge Papa Fio, who could need Dankwa Fie, or side the Gyamfi Naka, or see next time, who could tell TV so Obekano Kure. Ya kola ketwan kanu krede bi abi miemia weni ase Ghana for yanko kan hunti abetre be miemia weni ase sa na sei na kufuato na ni trimoden kufuato chese chese asia na Erika Jedi nachi na connection mine Bushiatic fellow Jimmy na mesemo ya the fact ne be expose musa mama menkan or say in a judgment delivered on 13th October 2022 in the case of Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe, Sammy versus Sammy Gyamfi finds that Sammy Gyamfi defamed Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe Oh, Mama, yes, sir. Opoku Prempe, Minister for Energy and MP for Menchia South constituency. When Sammy Gyamfi at a press conference in June 2019, some okay, that time no ohuru no. Oma bonofo front in the say ni bibia no okay can be left right center stated that Seydou Yakubu MBA suspected of being involved in the kidnapping of 2 Canadian girls in the year 2019 is the errand boy of Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh. The court has therefore awarded damages of 500,000, which I believe is 5 billion Ghana cedis. He has also been ordered to publish a retraction and an apology of fee next time. No better TV, so radio, so I'm going to say rough. They say, we say na make no. You back and say your friend no. Aye. You also okotina and the abewa na okasa rough philosophy so kwache. Ono na make no. MPP for this is what we need you people to do. The leadership of our party, this is what we need you to do. When these people come and lie on your name, don't let them come back door and beg. Make sure you take them through due process. Intimate Honorable Kennedy Japan Kevin Taylor case na shame papa. You could evidence say, Mama yen to me and prosecute and yen na modeko yen na basa. Yen the last minute let's mobilize. There be Honorable Kenny, a big man. I could you man I'm a friend saying Kevin Taylor's one. But we sat down and we allowed it to slide. Amwakwata Captain Smart to way or do dia kwaje bribe. Usu ye road intini ye say wudi wonpe. Can for that akura ho na ye mobo. One of the just said on one mbane be the cockroach answer there. Oh, we leave everything to Christ through him. Hey, honorable. Yes, we discuss honorable. Yes, say wudi wa bro thing. Obeba be press conference and obe bomutino na ejaja no meek gentle na ken aside the omoboni abechomo. Father, forgive them for they know what they are doing. Oh, no for that there. Yeah, sometimes in the say busi na me say me san baby wa me papa beka na me shut down come official because so mu hia be ma wo ho pu Sammy Gyamfi betina social media so kasa kateche free fair be gina wono kra de wa burunua ni na na onam ho da so ye show wo Ghana journalist amo akomfo journalist amo gun sawo station enya yare e de nko na aba sebe aban ben no ba ya sister Cynthia obi adi ye aban ben no ba ya obeka chemso no de oba ye no obi asi dan obi atoka e bi enya no kre ebrochira ye wo hey you talking about systems but they still have their lapses. Verbal apology saying there be yes one bet where you court order babs. This one is court order. Yes, you are ordered to go and apologize into a public apology. Or say Ebenezer Walker says, exactly, bro. They are dirty. I see NPP communicators campaigning for them on their platform for this, their internal elections. So look at this. Look at this. I bet if we no more,